Welcome back to my income series. Today we'll be discussing the latest update on the US stock market. On Thursday, the US stock market closed higher, but the performance across sectors and stocks was mixed. The Dow Jones Industrial Average gained a meager 2.57 points, or 0.01%, closing at 33,485.29. The S&P 500 index rose by 14.64 points, or 0.36%, to end at 4,105.02. Meanwhile, the tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite increased by 91.10 points, or 0.76%, finishing at 12,087.96. However, the S&P 500 still had its first losing week in 4, losing 0.1%, while the Nasdaq fell by 1.1%. The market remained volatile due to higher-than-expected weekly jobless claims, which indicated slowing job growth. Job cuts have increased significantly this year compared to last year, and the number of available positions fell below 10 million in February for the first time in almost 2 years. Investors are now questioning if the Federal Reserve has gone too far in its efforts to cool inflation and if it will cause a recession. The March jobs report will be closely monitored by investors, but many believe the trend of solid job growth is about to reverse. The jobless claims data suggests that the Fed's rate hikes are beginning to slow down the labor market. However, the slowdown in the economy is increasing the likelihood of a recession. Out of the 11 S&P 500 sector indexes, 7 declined, with consumer discretionary down 2.04% and industrials down 1.3%. Nvidia Corp dropped 2.1%, while Tesla Inc. fell 3.7%. Amazon and Apple declined more than 1%, leading to a reversal of gains in some of Wall Street's most valuable companies in recent weeks and pulling down the Nasdaq. Caterpillar, a bellwether for the industrial sector, dropped 1.8%, bringing its loss over the past 2 days to 7% as investors worried about a potential economic downturn. On the other hand, Johnson & Johnson rallied 4.5% after settling talc-related lawsuits, gaining the support of thousands of claimants and easing an overhang on its plans to list consumer health unit Kenvue. Artificial intelligence company C3.ai Inc. tumbled more than 15% for a second day after a short seller alleged accounting issues, although the company denied the allegations. FedEx Corp rose 1.5% as the freight bellwether firm announced plans to fold its operating divisions into one organization to cut costs and increase efficiency. Declining stocks outnumbered rising ones within the S&P 500 by a 1.2 to 1 ratio, with the index posting 11 new highs and 2 new lows. Meanwhile, the Nasdaq recorded 39 new highs and 269 new lows. Volume on U.S. exchanges was relatively light, with 10.1 billion shares traded. Over the previous 20 sessions, it averaged 12.7 billion shares. That's all for today's update on the U.S. stock market. We hope you found this information helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates on finance and investing.